how much we do in total?
I want to do 150 so that he can do a straight 100 for like any kiddos that come up that wants like a card for $100. It can be one kid, it can be multiple.
If that's
kids.
what you guys want to do, thank you.
That's what we're doing.
I appreciate you guys.
So,
I got a baby.
All right, I'm gonna try not to cry. Okay, so they're picking up the Jolteon VMAX, and then they're also doing $100 on top for any kids that come by too.
yeah, come by here, come by the next one.
Thank you.
We trust you with how you decide to handle that out, but like,
Thank
if
you.
have a good character, don't cry. Please don't cry. You're gonna make me cry. Jesus.
Yeah, for the sake of the algorithm, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah,
Oh, jeez, don't.
Like and subscribe.
Hey, I'm saying it, not him.
Thank you.
Yeah. So wait to see.
I'll definitely let you know
videos of
what.
the kiddos, however many that get that.
I definitely will.
Stop, I'm literally tearing up.
I'm just friends with Pokemon.
How are you? Do you have a favorite Pokemon? Who's that? Charizard? That's a good one.
Party time is 1:30, and then I have a case of the.
Oh, I do have the Charizard VMAX over here, though. Do you have the... Here, come here. Do you have the Charizard VMAX? Do you have this one? If it's okay, are you... If you're more than welcome to have it if you'd like.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I had a couple at my last show, Danny and Andy. They donated $100 just for me to give out some cards to kids. So that is all yours. So it's covered anyway. So you're welcome. All good. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you again, Dan. Thank you, Andy. Allowing you to do that. Ugh. We'll get another kid later today.
Would you take 10?
Is that for you? You can just keep it. It's all yours. That's just for you. Yeah. I had a very generous couple at my last show donate some money just for kids too. So that's part of it. Do you like Pikachu?
Shake his hand, buddy. That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
He does. That and Charizard is basically.
There you go.
All right, bud. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate you guys.
Awesome.
Have a good rest of the show, guys. Do you have a favorite Pokemon?
Mimikyu.
Mimikyu.
She talks slow.
Do you collect Mimikyus? You say both? If you want, I have somebody at my last show that donated some money. I have a Mimikyu card over here if you would like it. If you don't have it, yeah. If you don't have it, you're more than welcome to have that. It was a couple that came by. Their names are Andy and Danny. They donated some money just to give out to kids. So you're more than welcome to have that if you want it. No pressure. Or if there's something else you'd like, we can, if there's another card that you see, you can have it for free.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
That was awesome. That's a cool card. In your collection. Rocking it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We're gonna do these guys, and then we'll wrap
I'll let them know.
Never see them again.
Well, I do see them, and I record videos too.
Oh, okay, cool.
So as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna send them the videos. So,
Thank you.
because they really wanted to see.
and then that guy.
Okay.